Okay, we're going to clean the nozzle on a Davinci 1.0 3D printer. This is the Davinci 1.0 3D printer, and we're going to use a brush that comes with it to clean the nozzle. And you literally just give it a brush. Like so. Get all the gunk off. Okay. That's clean. And done. And we press OK. That's pretty much done. Also just scraping any old glue off on here. I just use a wallpaper scraper like that. All that old glue off. Nice and clean. And use a Grit stick. Just a bit of glue on there. Ready for the next print. Right, I'm going to try and print a candle holder. So click on print, and we want it on quality excellent, and just going to turn up the layer height to 0.1, which is the finest, and then print. And it's slicing it at the moment. Okay, job's being received to the printer. Just heating up the extruder. Okay, we're now printing the red candle holder. See what this comes out like. Okay, this is what it's going to look like. This is the XYZ printing software for the Mac, and we've sent this job to the printer. Busy printing base part.